Check out this beautiful card. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make it right now. If you're in my Fold It Club, you are sitting back, relaxing, and so excited because you know this die set and stencil set are on their way to you automatically. You don't even have to do a thing. But if you're not in our Fold It Club, you have a very limited time to get this die set and the matching stencils, because once that month is up, it's gone. It's gone. It's exclusive to our Fold It Club. So you need to get in ASAP. ASAP. Ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called the Flower Vase Fold It card. And the best part about this is there's an extra layering die. And why did I do that? Because I decided that, you know what, when you put it together the first time, you're going to say, oh, now I know why she did it. Because it is so gorgeous and so beautiful. Let me show you the stems again. It's so gorgeous and so beautiful, but you need that extra layering die just to add that extra special oomph. You know what I mean? It's just that little extra piece that just turns it to magnificent. Now, you are getting all of these awesome flowers with the green stem and the vase, but if you'll notice closely, this die cut piece on the inside is separate. So you don't have to do that. Most of my design team chose to. Or you could do it like this if you wanted to. Part of the stencil looks like that. So it can be a solid vase or a die cut base, the inside. That is up to you. Now look at how gorgeous this is. You're also getting little leaf dies and leaf shadows. I did not include leaves in the shadow base because I wanted you to be able to put those leaves where you wanted to and not where I wanted you to. So you can add a lot of leaves, a little leaves, it's all, or no leaves. It's up to you, right? Now, look how gorgeous this card is. This one opens and closes on the side. Look how beautiful that is. Now, let's look at some other samples. And, well, actually, let me show you the stencils that come with it. So, Fold It Club members are getting this automatically. When folded, it is A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 standard card size. But are you limited to just cards on this? Absolutely not. You could use it for banners. You could use it for little, on scrapbook pages. You could make a little box out of it for a little goodie box. Lots of different ideas that you can use this for. Now, let's look at the stencils because first of all, you're getting this amazing, beautiful diamond ribbon stencil. Look at how intricate and beautiful it is, you guys. This took a lot of revisions to make sure I could get it as intricate as it is without, you know, falling apart or something like that. You know how sometimes you use a stencil and a piece will move or something? No, no, no. This one is gorgeous and so intricate. You're gonna love it. Look how beautiful that one is. Now, you're gonna get this one. This is an all over one, 5 by 7 in size. Then you're also getting this one. Now, this one is really fun because you have 3 options to color that base if you want to. And you have 2 edge options that you can stencil over to make different edges on your cards, which are really fun, different ways to embellish it. So let's look at all of my samples. So I already showed you this one, absolutely gorgeous. Then let's look at this one. Now this technically is using all of the same products, all of the same dies, just different colors. Isn't that crazy how different it can look just by using different colors? This one uses embellishments for the flower centers. This one just uses dots. Look at how beautiful both of those are. I love it. I love that silver vase though. It's really pretty. Now, here's another example. Look at how gorgeous that is. So pretty. Open it up. Sending love. You can use extra flowers to say sending love. Here, oh, and here's another option. You can put it on a card front. So it doesn't have to be a shaped card if you don't want it to. What if you want to put it on a card front? Absolutely, you can do that, right? Or you could use just the beautiful stencil in the back. Look at the stencil in the back and some of the flowers. So you don't have to even do the whole, I just went blurry. Oh, you don't have, sorry. Or you could do the stencil in the background and just use some of the flowers. Imagine that. Wouldn't that be fun? Beautiful. And look at the inside. What? Using our 3D pop-up. Isn't that amazing? Let's look at this closer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It pops up. Look at that. So pretty, so beautiful. Love it. Now, also, you could do it without the background. So let me show you what that looks like. So here is the shadow die. Or you could just do the vase separately and you could see through it. See how you can see through it? And then just the little tiny bottom at the little vase at the bottom is the card. Isn't that cute? Now, here's another one using that gorgeous background. Look at how gorgeous that background is. I love it. And I think I showed you the vase on the one. So the one had the vase. See how the vase is stenciled using that other stencil? Here it is, this one stencil, the background. Here's another stencil on the vase. Last but not least, here's another one using the stripes as a stencil on that base. Lots of options for that base. Now, imagine using an extra heart die that you have and die cutting a little heart out of that base. Lots of different options on this one. Now, when would you send flowers? Oh, birthday, Valentine's, anniversary, get well, anything, pretty much anything, right? You could even make these Halloween by making them purple and orange. Right? Very, very versatile. Now, of course, my Fold It Club members are also getting a handy dandy postcard to give you ideas, but also there are way more, all of these ideas and more on our website at thestampsoflife.com. Now, again, Fold It Club members, you're sitting back, relaxing, going, yeah, it's on its way. But if you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot purchase this on my website. You need to join the Fold It Club. And it's only a 3-month commitment, but you know what? You're going to want to stay in longer because you get a 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. Wait, what? Yeah, every single day, every single order that you place, every single item on our website. No asterisk saying, oh, does not include this, does not include this, does not include this. No, 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 no. If we're having a flash sale, my friends, you get the flash sale discount and you get your club discount. You also get to earn club points on every purchase and every monthly shipment. You also, if you stay in a full year on your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website, just for us to say thank you. And every once in a while, I like to throw in freebies. And just a heads up, April, every club is getting a freebie. What? I know, and they're all different. So if you're in all the clubs, you're getting 3 different freebies. I know, it's awesome. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video. The hardest part's going to be deciding which club you want to join, but let me tell you, if you want this flower vase, you're going to pick the Fold It Club. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.